subscribers. Really couldn't have did it without a couple channels shouting me out. Goat Rope Garage and Rob at SPP, Mike and Clayton and Randy, all at SPP, and also Matt at Sloppy Mechanics. I'm just trying to give you guys an update. I did post that one video about cutting gaskets, which is done fairly well. But I wanted to update you guys on the car and a couple other new things. My dad's been here working with me on Sundays. I don't think I've announced it yet, but he was actually working on his vet over here for a couple weeks, and we got that finished. I hate Corvettes, by the way, but it was enjoyable to work with him on it. So I ended up actually giving him the 55 that you guys have actually seen if you've been here for a while. So this is just a shell of a 55. It's a cabin. It's got a title. The front clip for it's over there. It's got doors and stuff. Needs a lot of work. It needs floors here and over there, and we've got patch panels here to put in. So we're gonna be working on this on Sundays. It needs corridors. We're basically gonna build a gasser out of it, so needs quarters, rockers. I'm gonna build a frame for it. The motor out of the A-bomb right now is gonna be going in this after I get done using it for a mock-up motor. And I've got a 4L80 to put in it whenever we do get around to this. This is gonna be a long-term project. I'm not gonna put a time frame on it. I kind of shot myself in the foot on doing that with the A-bomb because it would never meet the goals. So it's just going to be a work on it once a week, every Sunday thing with me and my dad, and hopefully we could have some enjoyable times on it. Hopefully don't get too frustrated for it. I'm looking for a rotisserie to put it on to do all the body work, but I'm not hurrying into it because, as you guys have all seen, when you need something and have to buy it, it's usually 3 times the cost. So this is going to try to be a budget one. Most of the stuff I already have. I've got a spare 88 from when we built the A-bomb's rear end, and I've got a XJ 2-wheel drive Jeep straight axle to go up front for the gasser front end instead of buying like an I-beam setup. So yeah, we'll do updates on this, as we go on it, and I think that's about all I got to say on that. Thank you guys for watching, and sharing my videos and give me a thumbs up and all the comments. I really appreciate it.